Welcome. My name's Patrick, and I'm working for the Linear Motion Technology Department of Bosch Rexroth.
With this video, I want to give you a small glimpse of our new solutions since we cannot meet in person at the Hannover Fair.
Of course, I don't have our demonstrator here with me in my garden, so I needed to find something different. I am a hobby photographer. And like our linear technology modules and components, cameras have always been great pieces of engineering. Now imagine, you only had one lens to shoot with. As a photographer, this is a great and fun challenge. But in our business, that means you would have to invest a lot of time and effort into application design for your specific use case. In addition, life cycles of consumer goods are getting shorter and shorter. This increases the demand for new machinery and application designs even more. Now, what's the solution, you might ask? Well, we sat together with our customers and collected their input to create easy-to-use solutions based on our standard components. This gives you the opportunity to adapt our products to your specific and creative use cases. On top of our plug-and-produce solutions, our customers demanded a certain degree of digitalization. With condition monitoring and predictive maintenance possibilities, Rexroth Linear Motion Technology gives you all the necessary tools you need for maximum machine availability and highest productivity to manufacture like a Bosch. We have our customers in focus.